Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a Steam account in less than 1 minute. So first, in the bar of research in Google, you need to tap sign up Steam, tap on the first link, okay? Now you need to put your email and confirm your address email again. I'm not, I am human of course, and I am 13 years of age or old. And tap continue. So now I need to check my email. This is a confirmation email. Verify my email address. So everything is okay and click on done. Wait a moment and everything is great. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment. Peace.